one aim, yeah, right?
Mm-hmm.
But 1 second,
Hmm.
and world is zero for me. Stroke happened. Luckily, I am still living.
God's
Yes,
grace.
I am strong.
Yeah.
Perspective is greatly different now. I am a stroke person, so I am patient also.
Right.
I understand. So खुल के बताते हैं. Counseling is whole subject
Hmm.
by self.
What if you woke up to a new world someday? Challenges can be stepping stones or building blocks. It just depends on how you perceive them. Our guest today is someone who has experienced this very closely. She's a go getter, never say no, and a very strong woman who has her own ways, her own ambitions. Whatever comes on her way, she's there to sail through it and to overcome all the hurdles of life. Let's hear it from Dr. Viraj Vasavada.
MedTalks presents Scrubbing In Stories that Make a Doctor.
Hi, Dr. Viraj.
Hi, how are you?
Good, thank you. Welcome to MedTalks Presents Scrubbing In.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure to have you here with us today.
Thank you.
So,
Same with you.
thank you so much. I love the color of the sari on you.
Oh, thank God.
So, I have sort of, I have known you for almost over 15 years. And I have to say this that I have always admired you. You are one strong woman, one person I have always looked up to. So, to have you on this show means a lot to me.
Thank you.
And I think I want to start by connecting, knowing you again, sort of getting in touch with you again. How are the kids now? How old are they?
Oh, wonderful. I am blessed actually.
Mm-hmm.
Boy and girl, Aman and Ria. 6 years almost completed, and uh, I am motivated because Aman and Ria motivating force actually. Yeah, yeah,
Superb.
yeah,
Lovely names,
yeah,
and
yeah.
really good to know that. So let's start by understanding your journey. You have crafted a very, very different journey, and
Yes.
we want to know every bit of it today.
Yeah, sure, sure. Uh, First of all, I must acknowledge parents, family, friends, what to do, and teachers, all, and small, small points. I learned and still learning, but
Right.
so gratitude for all. And let's start uh, my journey.
Mm-hmm.
So ophthalmology is, but I love passionate.
Mm-hmm.
I am,
Mm-hmm.
and ophthalmology, counseling, and manuscript and editing, whatnot. I loved, and uh, one aim, yeah, right?
Mm-hmm.
But 1 second,
Hmm.
and world is zero for me. Stroke happened, and during my stroke I called, I don't like that, please, ambulance, please, and Zydus and doctors waiting for ambulance, and all, so all in all, let's see that three, yeah, four actually, hours and surgery is complete.
Hmm.
Luckily, I am still living.
God's
Yes,
grace.
I am strong.
Yes.
So I am not uh, a type of woman. I don't. Uh, 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 I am. Perspective is changed
Yes.
majorly, and Aditya remind me
Hmm.
and family also,
Right.
and perspective is greatly different now.
Hmm.
So, uh, eh, homemaker and physiotherapy, yoga, and whatnot. And whole day I am working.
Okay.
So, I am uh, keep, keeping occupied. Let's say that.
So, yes, that's very touching, very fortunate, and a very strong, determined woman's
True,
experience.
but I'm not as much strong, but people motivated me all over, and my experience is vision, no vision, still strong,
Yes.
and so on. Uh, Paralysis and speaking and no speaking, and I learned that still going hard. Determination is one thing that make me realize that yes, I am strong also. So uh, recovery is slowly uh, coming up, but
Yes.
one language, then English and Hindi, Marathi. मला येतोय मराठी example.
Yes.
So I am learning, and still
Hmm.
speech 2 days I consult
Okay.
online.
You still going
Yeah,
through
yeah,
that
yeah, yeah, yeah,
consultation.
yeah.
So how? So yes. So I get it that you probably you had to relearn the language,
Yes, yes.
which is
Did totally.
very difficult. I mean, and it's been how many years since the stroke?
6 years.
6 years. And twice a week, you are doing the language
Speech
speech.
and therapy daily.
Right.
Yoga 3 times, and so on.
How
So
long is the therapy every day?
1 hour.
1 hour. And you do that from home. You have like
Yeah,
online
uh,
consultation.
online going physio. My teacher is old actually, but
Mm-hmm.
going not far actually,
Mm-hmm.
but I don't mind
Right.
as long as try. I know that things is difficult for me,
Hmm.
but चलता है यार.
Very good.
So
You're sailing through the wood
yeah,
one day at a time.
yes. And I am must confess, I am foodie.
Foodie.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Really?
And I each day
Mm-hmm.
I enjoy. Yeah, yeah. Uh, uh, why me? I also feel
Right.
that why me? Why me?
Yes.
Why me? But phases,
Ups and down. You have
phases.
some days when you question
Yes,
yourself.
but overall, I'm okay. Let's say that.
Correct.
Yeah.
You're comfortable.
Yes. 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 Yes.
So, I want to understand being a doctor,
Yeah.
right? Having gone through this episode,
Mm.
and as you called it in your famous video, a new world had opened up for you. We will play the video at the end of this episode. How do you think your colleagues, or in general, doctors, do you have a lesson to share where you think
Yes.
that things are being or taken for granted or sometimes neglected? As a doctor, what were your learnings?
Learning is two learnings.
Hmm.
First of all, competition. I strongly not encourage
Okay.
competition, learners and competition. I long way, then you realize, and
Yes.
that so jealousy and what not.
Hmm.
So no, Eh, peacefully and group मिल के चलेंगे, so sort of, and lesson humbleness.
Agreed.
My ego. Oh my god. And now come back, ma'am. Here. So I'm thankful, good to God, that teach me a lesson. Yeah.
Beautiful. Very beautifully articulated, I must say. And I can absolutely agree to that. Also, I had seen that, I had read that you have many presentations, many publications. You have received so many awards, and also you belong to a very renowned ophthalmologist family in Ahmedabad.
Mm.
But the life, of course, but there's a different change. There's a different life you're living now.
Mm.
You had to let go the surgery, as you told,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and you have moved on to consultation, to counseling. Can you give us more details on
Yeah,
that?
yeah, yeah, please. Counseling, I love. Counseling is one session, no. Counseling is repeated counseling is must,
Mm-hmm.
because my patient I am. So I realized that AMD example,
Hmm.
and AMD, oh, finished. No, counseling, repeated counselings,
Correct.
uh, glaucoma, corotoconus, all that is major illness, or acceptance is not here.
Hmm.
So counseling helps.
Hmm.
A simple uh, dry eyes example. Doctor पूछता है थोड़ा थोड़ा. So same repeated counseling is must now. Must doctors all
Hmm.
recommend that counseling is must, and in fact, counselings, uh, special counselors
Hmm.
now
Right.
uh, crop up now,
Hmm.
slowly rising. That's why that counseling is must, and toric or panoptics or confused and all. I don't know. So counseling's simple counselors is a must. Yeah.
I agree. And I think in because you have been on both the sides
Yeah.
of the table,
Yeah. Yeah.
no one better than you can understand the pulse of the patient,
Yes.
what's going on, the insecurities, the concerns. So, how do you think that has changed from what you used to be and now when you counsel your patients?
Yes. Yes. Yeah. So relevant question. Counseling is coffee, चाय पिए बैठते हैं चलो क्या है ये मुझे बताओ मैं तो पेशेंट हूँ और डॉक्टर हूँ दोनों बाजू तो कहो चलो स्लोली 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 खुलते हैं
Hmm.
uh, 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 doctors and
Hmm.
patients mainly counseling and uh, counseling is not a right word. I am a stroke person, so I am patient also.
Right.
I understand. So खुल के बताते हैं बट
Yes.
slowly 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 I am I am top of that. I wish.
Brilliant. So, I think your vision
Yes.
is to really reach out to the doctors to let them know the importance of counseling and also to reach as many patients as possible, counsel them, let them know what you have also that you too have been through
Yeah.
and that you can empathize with them.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I think that's brilliant. That's lovely. So are you considering taking up counseling online?
Counsel online and
Hmm.
patients, live patients. Yes, I love that.
I love the energy that we are having right now. And I love the vibe. It's lovely. So, moving forward, what is it that you are looking for in the next 5 years? How are you planning to evolve as an ophthalm in terms of counseling?
Uh, Good question. Counseling is I am shifting.
Hmm.
Uh, Perspective is changed totally. So,
Yes.
uh, counseling is a shift to patients, and then I am ambitious. Let's say that. Uh, Counseling is whole subject
Hmm.
by self.
Right.
Yeah. So counseling clinics and all, I want to develop that counseling uh, psychic disorders, but
Mm-hmm.
कह नहीं सकते यार मैं कैसे कहूँ
The
खुल के
taboo, the
taboo and I am patient यार
yeah,
मुझे बताओ यार
exactly. I think
yeah.
you are out there. You know,
Hmm.
you want
Yeah.
to be out there. You want to be reached.
Reach out.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, you really want to be reached. You want to be amongst the people. You
Yes,
want to
yes,
spread the
yes,
word.
yes, yes, yes. Yeah, exactly. Thank you for explaining. Yes, yes,
I get it. That's
yeah.
lovely. So I also want to understand a little bit the true nature behind this very ambitious woman that you are. Um, can you give us more details on how your days in Oftal, when you were in the surgical phase, or when you were in the education phase, the residency phase, how were the days for you at that time?
Uh, Passionate.
Like how you
I
are right now,
no,
always.
no, no. But uh, I used to operate uh, teaching. I regularly uh, uh, did since that uh, uh, teacher and students
Hmm.
teacher and students operate alive
Hmm.
actually. Then okay, out. I mean, I think so. Take over. I need to take over. So 2 years course is there.
Okay.
Yeah, 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 yeah. And mainly I uh, teaching I loved.
So moving on to the amazing video that you have, the award-winning video. We want to know so much about that. How did the
No.
idea come to you that you want to make a video of?
uh, Always I feel that patience must motivate.
Hmm.
Uh, I um, I bad phase
Hmm.
for me,
Correct.
brain surgery and put on and all that. So I knew that. So patients also, I empathize with
Correct.
all and blind persons or glaucoma or AMD. I don't care.
Hmm.
I simply talking. I love talking. My patience so, but I love that.
Okay. So that's why you thought of coming up with the
Yes,
video. How
and
how did you work on the script for it?
And well, I must say that team is wonderful. Supports me always.
Hmm.
So naturally, but I needed to n- uh, the cross table that counseling.
Hmm.
Yeah, and my family and ophthalmology continue, please continue and enjoy life, so
Yes.
on.
Yes.
Yeah. So always I thought of that.
Okay. So
Yeah,
that was the entire idea
yeah,
behind
yeah,
the
yeah,
video. And how was it received when it was played at the event?
And, thankfully, all group PACRS or international and all received a first prize. Luckily, I'm not capable of that, but thank you for that.
No, it's a brilliant video. I mean, you're capable of many more things way beyond that. And I have seen through the video multiple times because every lesson that you're sharing in that video is so real, so actual, and it's relevant to everyone. So yeah, it's an amazing video.
Thank you.
And I think that's the reason I wanted to know, how it was received. And have have the
I
children watched the video?
yes, partly.
Partly. Okay. But I guess they're a little too young to
Yeah, yes,
get the gist
yes.
of it.
Yeah.
Okay. Lovely. Um, so how is your routine like? I mean, is
Well,
it
uh, my kids enjoy school.
hmm.
Actually,
Uh-huh.
I'm surprised, but yes, school hours and back home and in pleasure. I am so. Uh, Thank you for God that kids I have. Low
Right.
though, as a
And you have the best of both worlds.
yes, yes,
You
yes,
have a boy and a girl.
yeah, the lucky.
Yes, so you get to experience
Hmm.
them both, raising
Yeah,
them both.
yeah,
So
yeah,
apart from that, once the kids are home,
yeah.
I think you must be around them the entire day. So you finish your work and the errands in the morning.
Uh, Partly yes and no.
Mm-hmm.
My sleep is so 2 hours gone. But yeah, tuitions 1 hour and playing. My kids play
Mm-hmm.
so much and support system, friends. Support me anything यार कमाटी बाग चलते हैं मॉर्निंग में आई डोंट आई एम डेड मैन सो टू से बट ले जाते हैं एंड सो ऑन सो आई एम ग्लैड
Yes, so you have a very strong support system to rely on.
yeah friends
Yes, very nice.
yeah
All right, Dr. Virat. So now, after knowing so much about you, your perseverance, the the strong woman that you are, and the blessings that you count, I think that's a
yes
very beautiful way of
blessings.
living life. So we move to the next section, which we call as the moments of burst. Just fun little questions, chote chote, idhar udhar,
Sure, sure,
right?
sure,
And that's just
sure.
for the fun of it, and I'm sure you are going to love answering them. So let's start with the first one. Any medical moment in the movies that you've seen that sort of irks you? It makes you feel, ye kya hai?
No, actually no, but uh, uh, मूवी में यार फिल्मी बताओ ना यार मुझे सो आई एम मूवी तो बॉलीवुड देखना है यार
So you're a movie buff, so everything is okay. Medically perfect, ऐसा ही है. Think that's a good way to go. Movie hai, just put your mind aside, watch it, enjoy it, right? Cool. So ophthalmology, according to you, is
uh, passionate. First uh, number, I love passionately. I love. Unfortunately, or I don't know, but always back of mind, opthel rahega. Yeah.
lovely. Super. So, four most frequent words
Hmm.
used by you
Yeah.
at work.
कचरा है छी one and then चाय तो पिलाओ यार ऐसा नहीं चलेगा सेकंड then and then आदित्य सुनता ही नहीं है छोड़ के मुझे जाता है यार and last uh, uh, My kids drive me. That's all.
Yeah. So, as an ophthalmologist, if you had a superpower, what would that superpower be?
Mm, superpower is God is powerful. Do not touch. Line must be reseated.
Lovely.
And then passionate, sure. But ambitious think about that. Yeah.
Superb. Beautiful. Very well said. Can you think of one mispronounced word by patients in ophthalmology?
No, actually, no, because I am patient, so I understand here.
Yes, true. That's
Yeah,
right.
yeah, yeah.
So, if you had to sum up the three lessons that you live with, what would
Yeah,
those
yeah,
be?
yeah. Uh, uh, eh, Passionate, naturally. Uh, mm, Enjoy life. Eat day. You must live life. And then God is kind and all that, but मर जाऊंगी तो पूछूंगी.
Superb. The best compliment that a patient could have given you. Many?
Let's many nahi, but I did actually. Lots of patients and relatives बहुत मेहनत करते हो.
Whoa,
Yes, working hard basically.
that's superb.
Yeah.
And any signing of quote or
Uh,
of
uh, I love talking to patients and uh, stroke patient or uh, paralysis or glaucoma, whatever. I love talking.
so lastly, is it okay for people? Would you like to be reached by people or patients um, if they want
Absolutely,
to talk to you?
absolutely. I am there. Remember. You phone, unfortunately, phone number I don't remember. So, email or WhatsApp, please. And uh, uh, I am here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That's wonderful. And we have shared your email address. I think the empathy that you are generating towards the people who are going through a similar or a more difficult journey
No,
is
no,
superb. And
no,
at the closing, I must say, I think it was very touching when you called me uh, when my mom was, in the towards the end of the palliative care, and you specially came to meet her. You sat with her. You spoke to her for almost an hour. So I can understand um, what it means to you and how
Uh,
deeply you're connected to the cause. And we would do everything possible to promote this cause so that we can reach more people.
sure. Please, yeah, please do that, please, for
Absolutely.
me.
Absolutely. We would love to. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much. My friend, this film is about my journey. Third generation ophthalmologist. I used to operate counseling, research,
my films and so on. I enjoyed my career. Additionally, was blessed with kids. Life seemed to be perfect. Suddenly, darkness in my world. Life threatening stroke happened to me. I woke up to whole new world. In this new world, I do not move, speak, write. Bit different for me, but teach me lessons. I want to share with you all. Never lose hope to patience and me. Life is a struggle for me, and mind you, every day I am struggling. I continue to work hard, learning to move, learning to speak. Every time I move ahead, fall back. No problem, I am up to it. New energy every day. Lot of patience, obviously, and perseverance. I want to live fruitfully for my kids. I continue to hope. Same applies with practice. Never lose hope. Always something to try. Now I am doctor and patient. So I understand spending time is vital and counseling is must. Even conditions like retina, AMD and keratoconus like that must hope to be better. Work hard for your dream. Ophthalmology was my dream and will be my dream, and never give it up. I realized that surgery is gone, but I regularly counsel, examine, OPD, so on. My friends, one day I am hopeful to be back. If you want to succeed, slogging is necessary. Open-mindedness is keyword. I went from the top to zero. Doesn't matter, friends. Accept your new situation. Keep moving in new direction. Change your perspectives. Mind you, life is a bit hard. So what? I used to be in denial. My ego, mind you, still a hindrance. Even today, my teachers inspire me.
When one survives a terrifying health scare, like my pineapple-sized, highly anaplastic kidney cancer, there's a dramatic change in the way we perceive life. Every sunset becomes spectacular. The screech of a hawk seizes your attention. The smile of a grandchild is irresistible, and the joy of love is overwhelming. Everyone should have a non-fatal disease to experience the miracle we survivors share.
Now, my duty is motivate all the people. When challenges is there, surgeries, you prepare to another path. Open-mindedness is key to success or depression. Remember to enjoy. Life is so uncertain. Most of us too busy, stressful life. Forget to enjoy. So my friends, one advice I give you, enjoy moment to moment. Little joy. Don't wait for tomorrow. So my friends, I am proud, but journey is ongoing. I am grateful for supporting me and listening my story. I hope so. My hard learned lessons help you to change your thinking